8:42 in the morning. All the content you're going to see on here is 4K. I'll include the occasional picture as well. Went for my MOT yesterday. It did fail, but they couldn't do the work until today, so they allowed me to drive it home. I live down the road. And I'm going to take it back now. They've ordered the bit, whatever it is, some ball arm thing or whatever. And typical raining, absolutely pissing it down. So I've got to walk back in the rain. I'll probably wear my umbrella, so there'll be a lot of rain, I think, on the content you're going to see today. But yeah, this is front facing 4K 60. Everything will be 4K, like I said. Trying to get out of my bloody car park. And it'll either say 60 FPS or 30 FPS in the corner of the video. So absolutely knackered. Enjoy. Steering wheel just for this purpose. Looks stupid, but kind of works. A little bit of jitteriness, but yeah, absolutely chucking it down today. Typical. Right, that's my car in. I think I've got to wait a few hours for that. Absolutely pissing it down. Got my umbrella on. Yeah, I think I'm going to go and head over to McDonald's for a breakfast and a coffee. I think it'd be rude not to. So I'm going to head over there now. A nice coffee and a breakfast. Yeah. I think I'll go too mad. Something light with a bit of coffee. There we go. Cappuccino. So that's McDonald's eaten. Feel absolutely bloated now. Bit of coffee. So we're just at the park. I'm not going to go on any swings or anything. Just thought I'd do a little more footage here. So on the front facing camera, this is 4K. We have 1x and also 1.4. That zooms in that much. Let's go back. It's not, that's full arm's length and I've got long arms. That's where I feel most comfortable, but it's quite cropped in, to be fair. What are you guys thinking of the footage? I think it's looking quite nice. Also, I do have a Twitter account, which I'll make it flash up here somehow fancy. Come and follow me on Twitter. Most days I'm posting pictures and stuff, you know, that I take with the smartphones that I use and test, and some video clips as well. And I'll do giveaways and stuff on Twitter a lot of the time now. Instagram's shit. I'm going to move over to Twitter and start using that a bit more. So yeah, come and check me out on Twitter, and you'll see some photos that you might not see in my reviews. Yeah. Hope you enjoy the content. What are you doing, Aria?
You're going to poo hanging out your bum, have you?
Oh, that's perfect, isn't it? Aria?
Right.
I'm doing a video now.
Should be doing that for his business manager. Business suite.
You have to find what you want then, won't
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds like it. I can't see it. I didn't see him go past. Just blinked. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. What have we got being delivered today? iPhone 13 Pro. So we're back again. Jaden's here. My MOT did fail, but I've just paid about £9 to get it fixed. And now I'm going to take Jaden to play some pool with his mate. So yeah, let's go.
It's not 4K though, it's like 3K plus 1K.
It's 4K, 60 frames per second. Let's go and take you to pool with Alex.
Yeah, look at the McDonald's.
Alex Ferguson.
I love McDonald's.
I had that this morning, did you know?
Did you?
I had McDonald's breakfast this morning.
You're joking.
Nope.
You're joking.
Hash brown, bacon roll.
Stop making me hungry.
Cappuccino.
Stop making me hungry.
You had the cheese baguette, didn't you?
Yeah, for lunch. Didn't have breakfast. What, are you looking at the trees?
Beautiful trees, aren't they?
No.
4K.
The UK's kind of dead.
I've got to remember where the pool is. Oh yeah.
You're right now.
Right, you ready to go, mate?
Yeah, go.
You sure?
Yes, I'm here.
Is your friend here?
Yeah. I mean, he's literally waiting, you know that.
Is he?
You're so cold. I hope you know that.
What?
Stop recording me.
Right, come on. Going into Jordan's bar. Is it Jordan's as well?
Please wear a face mask.
Set them up, mate. Is that alright?
I'm pretty sure it goes yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red.
Yeah, it goes like yellow, red, and yellow, red.
At the top is there 2 reds, and then at the bottom there's also 2 reds next to it.
It's on here as well, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember now. It's like I remember now because it's in front of me. Yeah, I'm terrible.
That's Paul, mate.
I know it's Paul, thank you.
Alright, see you later.
Is that Garfield? Is that Garfield? Shall I put my tissues in here? Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it. Okay, I know I told you.
So it's still 4K 60, speech enhancement is on as well. I've just finished recording the gaming test or a gaming review on the Pixel 6 Pro. I tested Minecraft briefly, so I just downloaded that to try and get used to that. Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG as well, and Need for Speed Racing. So you'll see how I get on with that. In fact, that video should already be live, so you might have already seen it. This is just me capturing some more 4K footage indoors on the Pixel 6 Pro. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Right, 4:45, I'm going to go for some chips. This is 4K 30 in the portrait mode. I'm going to go and capture some nighttime shooting in a little bit. 4K video with some pictures, some shots as well. They'll be in there, but yeah, the video is nearly coming to an end. Apologies if I'm boring the shit out of you. But yeah, I'm just basically sharing everything that I've recorded today in 4K and some of the pictures as well, so you can see how the phone's sort of been used in normal conditions. The only thing I'm going out of the way of I'm going out of my way to maybe go out and capture some nighttime stuff, because to be honest, I don't normally go and do that really. But for the purpose of this video, I will do that. So, see you later. So we're now 4K 30, sorry, nighttime. Yeah, I'm gonna walk around here a little bit. See what the video's like. Have a look at the cathedral and stuff like that. Hopefully it's decent. Yeah.
Stay close, darling. Daddy's got you on that.
Colby's got my tools. No, there's a Pixel 6 Pro just. That seemed to brighten up then. Oh. It's nice, isn't it, Colby?
We want the steps.
Huh?
No,
Yeah, it's got the steps in it. Yeah. Well, this is really dark round here, isn't it, Colby? Huh? Alright, Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming, alright.
I'm just going to stay with you because I'm your
Yeah?
pig.
Huh?
Yeah.
closer look at this cathedral.
I've been to the cathedral with my school in year R.
Oh yeah,
Yep.
beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. I saw the light angel.
Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for the video. This was pretty much all 4K content on the Pixel 6 Pro. Finishing off here with this stunning shot of the cathedral and the top there. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to sign off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think of the video quality and picture quality on this Pixel 6 Pro.
Are we going home?
We'll be going home soon. We've got a ghost here.